one is going to come and defend our country except ourselves. A loud and clear no to corruption by whomsoever.
Mnangagwa openly admits chaos in Zanu PF. The 28th of August 2025. Spread the love. By a correspondent, President and Zanu PF First Secretary Emmerson Mnangagwa has openly admitted that chaos and internal divisions are threatening the stability of the ruling party, vowing to deal decisively with those he described as disruptive elements. Addressing the 386th Ordinary Session of the Politburo in Harare on Wednesday, Mnangagwa declared that party unity was non-negotiable. Tactics and political chicanery meant to mislead, confuse, as well as divide the party and nation must be nipped in the bud. We must all speak with one voice and march in one direction, he said. The president's stern warning comes against a backdrop of growing factionalism within Zanu PF, with reports suggesting that rival camps are already positioning themselves ahead of the 2028 elections. Analysts say his remarks are a clear acknowledgement that the party is grappling with serious internal fractures. Despite repeated claims of cohesion, Mnangagwa stressed the principle of collective responsibility, warning senior officials against deviating from agreed party positions. Leaders of the party are bound by collective responsibility and must unite around party decisions and resolutions which serve as ideological and moral compass, he said. His tone was uncompromising, signaling an impending crackdown on dissenters who may be accused of undermining the leadership. Sources within the ruling party suggest that several officials suspected of aligning with rival factions are already under scrutiny, raising fears.